Hi, I'm Barbara Clemons, and I'm honored to be the immediate past president on the 2025 Board of Directors. I've been part of Bay East for about 15 years, and I'm excited to be serving our members. One of my favorite sayings is, people don't remember what you say or what you did, but they do remember how you make them feel. And it reminds me to be aware of that statement when communicating with others. Outside of work, I enjoy gardening and traveling and also making chocolates to give away. Out of our strategic priorities, the one I'm most excited about is empowering members' success through education, business resources, and technology. Why? Being able to provide education, the updates on the industry, and the technologies, these are the keys that keep us knowledgeable. Also, enhancing the realtor voice is important to me. Thank you for letting me share some of the things that I care about. I'm looking forward to a great year ahead.